Hey everyone and welcome. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful tools in all of programming, the for loop. First, let us understand the problem that loops were created to solve. Imagine you want to say hello to 5 friends. Without a loop, you have to write a separate print statement for every single person. And what if you had 50 friends? Or 500? You would need hundreds of lines doing the exact same thing. That is not smart programming at all. There must be a better way. And there is. It is called a for loop. Let us see how the for loop solves this beautifully. Here is the for loop in action. The loop goes through a list of names one by one. Automatically. On the first round, name equals Alice. And the print line runs with Alice. Then name becomes Bob and print runs again. This continues automatically until every item in the list has been visited. The same body of code runs 5 times. But we only wrote it once. That is the magic of loops. Here is the clean version. We have a list called friends with 5 names. The for keyword starts the loop. Name is our loop variable. It holds the current item each time through. In friends tells Python which list to loop through. The indented print line is the body. This runs once for every name. 5 names means the body runs 5 times automatically. Notice the colon after friends and the 4 spaces of indentation. Both are required in Python. Let us run it. Python greets every single friend. 5 lines of output from just 4 lines of code. If we added 100 names to the list, the same 4 lines would handle all 100. Now let us loop through numbers using Python's built-in range function. Range of 5 gives us the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Notice it starts at 0, not 1. This is very important in Python. I is the loop variable. First round I is 0. Second round I is 1. And so on. The loop runs exactly 5 times because we said range of 5. The variable name I is just a convention. You can use any name you like. Here is how range works. Range of 5 counts from 0 up to but not including 5. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to start from 1 instead, use 2 arguments. Range 1, 6. The first number is where to start. The second is where to stop, but not include. So range 1, 6 gives 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This stop but not include pattern is called exclusive end, and you will see it everywhere in Python. The first loop counts from 0 to 4. The second counts from 1 to 5. Use range whenever you need to repeat something a specific number of times or when you need the loop counter as a number. Now let us build something real, a grade checker that combines a loop with an if-else. Inside a for loop you can put any code you want, including an if-else statement. Here we check each student's score. If the score is 50 or above, the result is pass. If the score is below 50, the result is fail. This combination of a loop with an if-else is one of the most common patterns in all of programming. You will use it constantly. Here is our grade checker. We have a list of 6 student scores. The for loop goes through each score one by one. Inside the loop, the if-else checks whether the score is 50 or above. If yes, print pass. If no, print fail. Notice the indentation. The if-else is inside the loop, so it is indented once. And the print lines are indented twice. Python uses indentation to know what belongs inside what. The output shows the result for every score. 85 passes. 42 fails. 91 passes, 55 passes, 38 fails, and 76 passes. The loop checked all 6 scores automatically with just a few lines of code. In a real program you could have hundreds of student scores, and this exact same code handles all of them perfectly. Congratulations! You now understand Python for loops. Remember the core idea. A for loop says do this for every item. You learned 4 important things today. First, loops avoid repetitive code. Second, the loop variable holds the current item each round. Third, range lets you loop through numbers. And fourth, you can put if-else and any logic inside your loop. Now practice by creating your own lists and looping through them. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more beginner tutorials. See you in the next one.